Here.
Coming up, continuing coverage of this morning's deadly shooting rampage at the Washington Navy Yard with a live report from the White House.
Oh, so close. Oh, there we go. Little inchworm.
Is an alien species. Reality check. A lot of 4G LTE coverage maps don't really look like much at all. I see the Aleutian Islands.
Did you get it?
That's a map. That's a map of the United States. Check the map. Verizon's 4G LTE is the most reliable and in more places than any other 4G network. Trade in your old device and trade up to America's most reliable network.
I've got the I got Verizon.
That's powerful. Verizon.
What are you doing? You gonna bite my leg again?
We'll see you soon.
Hi, honey. What are you doing? Hi.
Are you going?
We only make one thing. The ultimate driving machine.
What are you trying to do? Ah, don't bite me. Oh, okay. Are you ready to get cuddled with? I think that's what this is saying. I think that's what this is saying. Are you saying cuddle with me? Cuddle with me. Oh, don't bite my leg.